How to report a debt to Fidelity investment. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can report a debt to Fidelity investment. So in order to report debt to Fidelity investment, all you have to do is first of all, open up a browser and then on the web address bar type in digital.fidelity.com. Don't worry about the link, I'll make sure to drop it on my description box below as well. So after you type in the link, it's going to directly take you to the official page where you can get started with the procedure on how you can report the debt. So as you can see, this is where the step begins. First of all, go through the instructions and then click the get started button located right at the bottom. So basically you'll have to go through 4 steps. The first one is you need to tell who has actually passed away, and after that you need to inform about yourself, and then you need to upload a death certificate. That's optional. And lastly, you have to review all of the information that you provided. Now first of all, you need to tell who has actually passed. So for that you need to enter in the account holder's name, or the person who has actually passed away, their social security number, the date of birth, the date of date, the marital status. Once you're done with this procedure, moving on with step number 2, you need to inform about yourself, which means what is your relationship with the person or your information, and accordingly. Next, you need to upload a death certificate. As already mentioned, this is optional. You can upload it, as well as if you don't have it, so then you can simply leave that blank. And you need to go through all of the information that you've provided. Make sure to go through carefully and thoroughly as well. After you've done that, click the submit button. As soon as you do that, you'll be notified with a statement stating that you successfully submitted the form. All you have to do is wait patiently until you get further notified. In this way, you can report debt on Fidelity investment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.